I missed my morning alarm.
I missed my morning alarm.
The laundry is still wet.
The laundry is still wet.
She got her braces removed.
She got her braces removed.
I forgot to reply to your message.
I forgot to reply to your message.
This soup needs more salt.
This soup needs more salt.
He's working a night shift.
He's working a night shift.
My car won't start again.
My car won't start again.
That outfit really suits you.
That outfit really suits you.
The concert tickets are sold out.
The concert tickets are sold out.
I stayed up too late again.
I stayed up too late again.
They're building a new park nearby.
They're building a new park nearby.
I found a hair in my food.
I found a hair in my food.
Let's meet at the usual spot.
Let's meet at the usual spot.
My legs are sore from the gym.
My legs are sore from the gym.
She got a flat tire on the way.
She got a flat tire on the way.
The cake turned out perfect.
The cake turned out perfect.
Don't forget your ID card.
Don't forget your ID card.
I'm saving up for a new laptop.
I'm saving up for a new laptop.
The light bulb just burned out.
The light bulb just burned out.
I tripped over the rug.
I tripped over the rug.
The kids are watching cartoons.
The kids are watching cartoons.
He didn't show up today.
He didn't show up today.
I'm wearing mismatched socks.
I'm wearing mismatched socks.
The classroom was completely silent.
The classroom was completely silent.
I can't believe it's already Friday.
I can't believe it's already Friday.
That was a close call.
That was a close call.
I drank way too much coffee.
I drank way too much coffee.
We're out of toilet paper.
We're out of toilet paper.
The dog dug a hole in the yard.
The dog dug a hole in the yard.
I signed up for yoga classes.
I signed up for yoga classes.
The elevator is out of order.
The elevator is out of order.
I forgot my password again.
I forgot my password again.
We're having guests tonight.
We're having guests tonight.
I need to trim my nails.
I need to trim my nails.
That was a terrible idea.
That was a terrible idea.
She painted her nails blue.
She painted her nails blue.
I left my lunch on the counter.
I left my lunch on the counter.
It's too cold to go swimming.
It's too cold to go swimming.
I can't stop humming that tune.
I can't stop humming that tune.
My headphones just broke.
My headphones just broke.
I spilled coffee on my notes.
I spilled coffee on my notes.
Let's order something different today.
Let's order something different today.
I've never tried sushi before.
I've never tried sushi before.
He's always late to meetings.
He's always late to meetings.
I stepped on a Lego.
I stepped on a Lego.
I bought the wrong size.
I bought the wrong size.
Her jokes always make me laugh.
Her jokes always make me laugh.
I stayed in bed all weekend.
I stayed in bed all weekend.
We should take a group photo.
We should take a group photo.
He's afraid of heights.
He's afraid of heights.
I love this kind of weather.
I love this kind of weather.
The fridge is making weird noises.
The fridge is making weird noises.
I finally finished my book.
I finally finished my book.
She's really into gardening.
She's really into gardening.
I can't believe he said that.
I can't believe he said that.
It smells like rain outside.
It smells like rain outside.
We're having tacos for dinner.
We're having tacos for dinner.
I need to clean my glasses.
I need to clean my glasses.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
She's allergic to shellfish.
She's allergic to shellfish.